So today in Premiere Pro, we're going to show you how you can make a pop in and out like this one on screen. Play it again just in case you missed it. So we're going to pop in and we're going to pop out with our logo here. I'm just going to delete that layer and start again to show you how to do it. So all I've done is putting this logo on screen. I want the scale to start off at 50%, because it's just too big. But that's regardless. You can size your own image. So how we're going to do this scale is, we want it to start at 0. We're going to drag our time marker here to 0. I'm going to start this off at 0. You're going to want to make sure you toggle the animation on. So now we've done that. I'm going to click on our keyboard using our arrow keys and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to make it 50. So now it's 50. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm choosing to make it 20% bigger here, just for a few seconds, and then I go 1, 2, 3, and that's going to be our final size. Sorry if you hear the birds in the background, it's really hot today. Turn the fan off, but it's hot. So let's go back and play this now. You're going to see that it pops in and it pops out. So if we go over it slowly, you'll see it comes in at the 50%, goes a little bit bigger, then it pops back into place. And one thing we can do is to make it a little bit smoother is we can highlight all our keyframes here. We can right click and we can click continuous Bezier. So once we've done that, it makes it look a little bit like that. So next we need to create our out pop. You don't always need an out pop, but if you want to, this is how you do it. So we're going to start off where we started on our 50. We're going to go ahead 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make it back that 20% bigger again at 60. So 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to make it 60 there. And another 1, 2, 3. We'll make it back to 50. So it kind of looks like it's popping back out. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to make it 0. So as you can see as well, our continuous Bezier continued along with this section of keyframes. So if we watch it again, you're going to see that it comes in and it pops out. And of course you can play with the duration between these. I think this just looks really fluid, like it's popping on for a second and going, or wherever you want. You can put it in the corner as like a watermark or something on your YouTube videos or something like that. But I hope you guys found that useful. I hope you now know how to make an animated pop-in logo on Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.